Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Mitsubishi Outlander. Let's start by laying down the fundamental structure. First, sketch a large rectangle to represent the main body of the vehicle. Then, add a slightly smaller, angled rectangle on top for the passenger cabin. Connect these two primary shapes with gentle, flowing lines, making sure the overall proportions look correct. This initial step is crucial for a well-balanced drawing. Now, let's refine the body with some key details. Carefully draw the signature front grille and the sleek headlight designs. Next, outline the side doors and the prominent fender flares, which give the Outlander its robust stance. Don't forget to add the rear bumper and the unique taillight contours. Focus on capturing the vehicle's distinctive body creases for an authentic look. Moving on, let's add the wheels and windows. Begin by sketching 4 perfectly circular shapes for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and correctly sized. Then, draw the wheel arches gracefully around each tire. Next, outline all the windows, including the windshield and side glass. Finally, add smaller but important details like the door handles and side mirrors to complete this stage. For our final slide, we'll bring your drawing to life. Carefully erase any initial construction lines that are no longer needed. Now, add the intricate interior details to the wheels, such as the spokes or hubcaps. Apply shading strategically to create depth and dimension, making the Outlander appear three-dimensional. Finally, use slightly darker lines for the main outlines to make your drawing truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.